Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to take some Grumman Pilot Association Shop Monkey shirts and have a quilt made out of them. So stay tuned for a little bit of fun with that. We cut out 16 panels, we mailed them off, and this is what we got back.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So we took 8 Shop Monkey shirts and we cut them front and back. That gave us 16 panels for a 4x4 quilt. Those are 14-inch panels, and they're sewed together in the various colors: red, ash, and blue, and navy blue on the left, and then pink, safety green, Hogan green, and then the original shirts we have up at the top. But again, we took those 16 panels, we sent them off to Memory Stitch, and we got this beautiful, nice, warm blanket back. Again, it's 56 by 56 inches, and it's got red fuzzy on the back. Hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house.